If you'd asked me this 2 months ago, I would have went, what? Why? So welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I have got some sad news. Unfortunately, the Nissan 350Z is sold. So it has taken a lot of thinking to make this decision, as it was something that I made easily overnight. But unfortunately, I have made a decision to sell my 350Z. So unfortunately, this car is a 2002 Nissan 350Z DE. It is 21 years old, so it is going to have small problems and things that don't work. But unfortunately, those things are starting to add up a little bit, and to be having this as a daily car, it's not the most reliable. It's going to be costing me quite a lot of money to be maintaining. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to go something a little bit more sensible just while I'm in college, but doesn't mean I won't get something like this in the future. It is partly because of the 350Z, but it's also partly because of insurance and just the costs of running a 350. It is possible to daily this car, but I'm finding it very expensive as I'm putting about 1,000 miles on it a month. First of all, I'm just devaluing the car quite a lot, but also I'm using a lot on petrol. So one of the reasons is the paintwork. As you can see, it's not in the best of conditions. There are little bits of lack of peel, paint fading, you know, there's a little bit of rust around the petrol cap here, bird poo, but you know, got lots of that on my car at the moment because I do live right next to the seaside, so there are lots of seagulls, unfortunately. I don't know whether it's because it's blue or whether it's just because it's a really nice car, but you know, but seagulls for some reason like to just, like, yeah, you know, poo all over the car. So again, when I first bought this car, someone thought it'd be a good idea to key my car. I have tried to go over it, so it's not as noticeable as it was, but it's still kind of annoying, and there are little marks like this which I've been over before, little scratch marks. Obviously it is in quite good condition for its age. It is 21 years old, but it has got stone chips all over the front bumper, all over the hood as well. I'm not sure if you can see some of these, but yeah, there's stone chips all over the car, which is kind of annoying. But that is not the reason I'm selling it. The main reason I am selling it is just because of the miles per gallon. Honestly, I'm getting about 17 to 25 miles per gallon at most when I'm driving this car as carefully as possible. So really, it is costing me a lot of money, especially because I am in college as well. I don't work full time, I only work part time. So petrol costs are quite a big thing for me. So I am going to be going for something diesel, most likely, could be a petrol, but I am probably going for BMW. There's a little hint there. But you guys don't need to worry, because this doesn't mean I'm going to be stopped posting on the YouTube channel. This new car isn't going to be something that's super boring, so I should be able to make content about it, and hopefully you'll still enjoy it. I know it's not going to be a Nissan 350Z, so it might not be as good, but I think this is something I'm going to need to do just for the meantime, but it doesn't mean it's going to be forever. Maybe I'll have something similar in the future, or maybe something better. We will only find out with time. So I have just recently bought a new camera as well. I'm sure you can tell the quality of these videos are getting better, and I've also got a microphone, so you know, hello. So hopefully these videos are going to be a lot better quality and you can enjoy them more, and I enjoy filming them. I enjoy filming these videos. It's so much more interesting and more fun to be using a camera than to be using my phone, so I'm very happy I bought this. The camera I've got is a Panasonic Lumix G80. It was about £500 new, but I bought it used, so obviously saving money where I can, but the camera was in basically brand new condition, so it was a no-brainer really. Honestly, I would love to keep this car, but as I'm sure many of you know, my insurance was not cheap if you watched the last video. But to keep this car and to have a second car as a daily driver, it would be costing me way too much, even though I would love to do that, but unfortunately I am 18, so my insurance is ridiculously high. The car has already sold, someone has placed a deposit on it, and I'm just waiting for the new V5 to come, as I've taken my private plate off. As you can see, I've now got the original plate back on, so I'm just waiting for the V5 to arrive, so then the new owner will have the Z. And it is quite sad, unfortunately, but as I was saying, it is quite sad. Unfortunately, I am just a little bit ill at the moment, as you could probably tell. I'm going to miss this car. I'm really going to miss it. Excited for the future. We are definitely going to have something interesting and maybe something better than this, but we're just going to need to give it some time. Something I am going to miss is the 3.5 litre V6. The pure beauty of this car. It sounds absolutely incredible, so I'm just going to be quiet for a second and let you listen to it. I've got to admit, that is one of the most beautiful sounding cars ever made. I do love it and I am going to miss it very much. Anyways, I hope you have been enjoying the videos I've been posting lately. I have been trying to put more time and effort into the YouTube as I'd really like it to get started. Anyways, that's all for this video. I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on and that the Z isn't going to be featured on the channel for much longer, as it probably will be gone within a week. But anyways, I hope you're enjoying these videos and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And leave a comment down below, let me know what I can improve on, or let me know what type of videos you guys like to see. And anyways, thank you very much and I will see you later. Goodbye.